everybody, I'm Scott Feller. I'm here to introduce to you my 1946 Dodge 4x4 truck that's going to be going up for sale at Mecum auction on May 20th between 12 and 12:30. The lot number will be T as in Tom, 81, T81. So let's get right down to the nuts and bolts of all this. What we have here is a frame-off restoration. It's built on Blazer dimensions, Dana axles, 456 gears, powder-coated wheels. The running boards, the front and rear fenders are Line-X, inside and out. The rear fenders are fiberglass. The rest of it's all steel with a custom-made bed. It's an aftermarket tailgate. It is a steel tailgate. Let's go to the inside here. Just a totally freshened up new interior. The seat is out of a Dodge Dakota, gloss desert sand inside. We have tilt GM column, an aftermarket windshield frame and all new glass in it by Dodge Central out of Holland, Michigan. They do a great job. This truck is powered by a Cummins Turbo 4BT. It's all factory specs. The pump has not been turned up and it's got a factory turbo on it, so there's plenty of growing room for whoever wants it next. We're hooked up to a 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission with trans adapter, of course, and it's the aluminum 208 transfer case in this. It's a smooth runner, stops, brakes, and turns great. It's a great runner. Remember folks, don't forget, Mecum auction, May 20th between 12 and 12:30, and it's T81. This could be your truck. And good luck, and I hope you're the winning bidder.